Well, I don't know about y'all, but whenever I get a package from a motorcycle, it always makes my day. I don't know what to expect here, but I wanted to replace this headlight. You can see it's cracked, and it still works, but I just thought that because they had one like this it was like $40. Uh, I thought it was just worth swapping it out for a more modern version. And so let's find out what it looks like. Oh, I like that. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna like that. Wow, I got it installed and think it looks real good. Well, I just unboxed the new headlight and installed it real quick. You know, just with the quick install, I like it. I'm gonna keep it. I'll run the lines through here, but overall, I really like the way it looks now. It seems to be flush, and I really like the modern upgrade. It changes the whole look of the bike. Interesting. Yeah, that's totally different than this one. This one ain't bad, but this one's just different. I like it. Well, if y'all have any questions about this headlight on this '07 525 XCW, just let me know.